favorite. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Final Countdown by the rail, followed by Dugu's favorite in second. Classy Pages on the outside, My Sick, and Apo Magic on the outside, Nice and Easy. At the mid-back stretch, Final Countdown by 3.5 lengths, followed by Dugu's favorite in second. And running in third by another 3 lengths, Classy Pages, Apo Magic on the outside, My Sick, and Nice and Easy. And nearing the far turn, it is still Final Countdown maintaining a 3 lengths lead, followed by Dugu's favorite in second, Classy Pages, Apo Magic on the outside, My Sick, Nice and Easy. Rounding the far turn, Final Countdown by 2.5 lengths, and closing in second is Dugu's favorite, Apo Magic now running in third, and Classy Pages remains in fourth. The last bend for home, it's Final Countdown by the rail, and Dugu's favorite moving up on the outside. On the farther outside is Apo Magic, and into the home stretch, Final Countdown by the rail, Dugu's favorite in between horses, and Apo Magic now moving up on the farther outside. It is now Apo Magic on the outside. It's Apo Magic followed by Dugu's favorite, and Final Countdown by the rail. And finally at the payoff line, it's Apo Magic, the horse of Sir Puts Puyat, Dugu's favorite, Classy Pages, Final Countdown, My Chick, Nice and Easy.
Oh, 6